Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you a method that I came up with where you can get your Discord communication into your PlayStation 4 live broadcast directly from the console without using a capture card. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now the method I came up with is a little confusing. So if I want to stream directly from my PlayStation 4 and I want to go ahead and join a Discord channel, well, I'm not going to be able to get that Discord channel into my live broadcast directly from my PlayStation 4. But I did find a way that I could have my Discord chat in my live stream on my PlayStation 4. And I'm going to walk you through how I did this. This is a little confusing, so just pay attention here. And I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this in the future. I'm thinking about adding like some splitters, some audio splitters where I can have two lines out, and that may clear up some of the problems that I came up with. So I'm on my PlayStation 4 right here, and then over here on this screen is my computer. And I also have a phone. So on my phone, I have a different Discord account. So I am in a Discord chat channel on my phone. And when I talk, I use this kind of as like a microphone and a listening device. Then I have a cable like this where they have two ends with three prongs on them, these little black lines. And this will allow me to connect my PlayStation 4 controller to my computer. So what I'm going to do is take my PlayStation 4 controller and plug one end into here. And then I'm going to plug the other end into like my speakers, or if you have like a headphone jack on your computer somewhere, go ahead and plug that into it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the audio from my computer and I'm going to feed it into my PlayStation 4 controller, and it's going to be a microphone essentially. It's going to pick up everything that's going on my computer and it's going to play it back on my PlayStation 4 as a microphone. So this does indeed work. So I have a headphone jack right here for my speakers. Now just to show you that this works, you can pick up anything on your computer when you do this. If I go to audio devices and then I go to adjust microphone, you can go ahead and see this going up and down when I talk. Now since I'm in that Discord channel on my phone, this is essentially my Discord microphone. And when I talk, you can see it's going up and down on my screen right here. And it says it's in the good section. So I can hear my Discord channel through my phone. Now the other thing that I am doing is, since I am using a monitor, I have an audio out through my monitor for my PlayStation 4, and then I have that connected to my headset. So I'm able to still get my PlayStation 4 audio in my headset right here with another cable like I showed you before, and this is connected to the audio out just through like another headphone jack on my monitor. So to do this, what we would have to first do is go to our input devices. So I have my input device set to my headset connected controller, then my output will be to TV/amplifier, and that will allow me to get the audio through my TV or my monitor right here. So with my controller, this is going to be picking up everything that's going on my computer. So if I have any songs playing or if anyone's talking in Discord, this is going to be picking it up on my PlayStation 4. It's going to act like a microphone. Then I have the audio out coming to me through the monitor and going to my headset. And then on my phone, I'm on another Discord channel, and this is going to be picking up the Discord chat. And I'm going to be using either this microphone on my computer as a microphone to talk to people on Discord. Otherwise, I'm going to be using the microphone on my phone. But the only way that I can come up with that I can hear Discord, like people talking, is through having them on my speaker through my phone. So I'm going to have to hear them through the speaker on my phone, and then I'm able to talk with either microphone. I might end up muting one account. So I do have two Discord accounts. I have a different Discord account on my phone. Then on my computer, I am on my other Discord account. So this is very confusing, but it does work. I'm able to have the Discord chat channel on my live stream and still hear the game audio and talk to people with my mic on my phone. So it does indeed work. It does take a little bit of engineering And I said, like, if I ever want to, like, add a splitter or something somewhere, I'm thinking that may make this a little bit easier. I'd like to get everything in just one headset where I can just talk. If you guys have any suggestions of how we can maybe make this setup just a little bit better, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe we can figure this out. But if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.